Hello everybody. Today we are going to see SAP MM interview questions and answers. I'm Swami here. So they may ask you, the first question they may ask you is explain about SAP MM. You say like SAP MM is a procurement process and it's a vendor management. So if they ask you what is the process behind SAP MM, you just tell them like purchase requisition. It's a requisition document, and then you create a request for quotation, quotation maintenance, quotation comparison, vendor selection, purchase order, goods receipt, invoice verification, and finally vendor payable. And the second question they may ask you, what is purchase info record? Purchase info record is nothing but the information record of a vendor who supplies material. Who supplies which material? That is purchase info record. They may ask you what are all the fields that are mandatory in purchase info record. You can say like purchase organization, plant, material, vendor, and net price, and the quantity are mandatory field in purchase info record, which will be purchase info record will be created in ME11 transaction code. They may ask you, the third question is, they may ask you what is source determination. It's a vendor source of supply. So determining the source of supply in purchase requisition itself, that is definition of source determination. So where do you create source determination? Where do you generate source determination? They may ask you. Transaction code is ME01. What are all the master data required for source determination? They may ask you. So for that you have to say source determination itself is a master record. Master record. Source determination itself is a master record, and purchase info record, material master, vendor master are the master record involved in source determination. They may ask you what is, fourth question they may ask you what is batch determination. So batch determination is nothing but a number which is generated automatically, which is associated automatically with the material. So the characteristics of the material will be the batch determination. What will be the characteristics of the material? Purchasing date will be the characteristics, production date will be the characteristics, and shelf life expiry date is the characteristics of the material. So every time when you do goods receipting, a batch number will be generated which is associated with the material. So that is batch determination. So they may ask you, the fifth question they may ask you, what is purchase requisition and where do you create purchase requisition? Purchase requisition is nothing but the request document created by the purchasing organization people. So where will you create the purchase requisition document? It will be created in ME51N transaction codes. It is an internal document purpose. It is created for internal purpose only. So they may ask you, the sixth question is, they may ask you explain consignment and its process involved in it. The consignment is nothing but it's a vendor material placed in the company under the ownership of vendor. When the company consumes it, it will be billed the vendor. So or else it will be taken back by the vendor. It will be returned to the vendor. So the process involved in the consignment is create a consignment info record, and then you create a consignment purchase order, and then you do goods receipt. Once when you do the goods receipt, the stock becomes consignment stock, and then you do in transfer posting, you make it as a company stock, and then you bill the vendor through the transaction code MRKO. So that is invoice verification. So the payable will be happening automatically to the vendor. And the next question they may ask you is explain subcontracting and its process. Subcontracting is nothing but sending the raw material to the vendor and getting back the finished goods. You are just issuing the goods to the vendor and doing goods receipting from the vendor as a finished goods. If they ask you the process, you have to create the, you can say like you have to create the bill of material, and then you create the purchase order, you create the info record, subcontracting info record, and then you create the subcontracting purchase order. Now you do issue the goods to the vendor and then receive the goods in MIGO. So now you do invoice verification and vendor payable will be happening automatically. So they may ask you, tell me the movement type for consignment. Consignment movement type will be 411. Subcontracting movement type will be 541. Standard purchase order movement type will be 101. So these are all some of the interview questions for MM. If you want to know more about MM, contact Learn to Win. Number is 9940654379. Thank you.